For decades, the software-as-a-service model followed a predictable rule: pay a flat fee per user for unlimited use. This created a stable economic foundation for enterprise software, where monthly costs were fixed regardless of how often a tool was used. That foundation fractured in March 2026. The release of models like OpenAI's GPT 5.4 and Google's Gemini 3.1 introduced a logic-heavy architecture that makes the old per-user pricing model unsustainable. Interacting with AI has shifted from a writer-per-word model, where you pay for visible tokens, to a system where you pay for computational depth. The cost is now tied to how much the model has to process internally before it speaks. This shift forces organizations to move away from fixed software allocations and adopt a new variable metric, the thinking budget. Within the corporate world, this has created the engagement paradox. Because every query now carries a unique computational cost, a company's most curious and active employees have suddenly become its most significant financial liabilities. The financial range is wide. A single query might cost a fraction of a cent, or it can climb to hundreds of dollars, depending on the complexity of the reasoning required. Legal engineering firms are already feeling the pressure while analyzing massive discovery databases. Under ABA Formal Opinion 512, firms are shifting toward value-based flat fees, as they are permitted to bill clients for the direct cost of AI as a disbursement, but not for the hours the AI saves. AI has transitioned into a variable, high-stakes financial disbursement that requires its own layer of corporate governance. Traditional System 1 AI is built for speed, following a linear path to the most likely answer. Frontier models utilize System 2 scaling. They pause to think, activating branching logic to generate hypotheses, identify dead ends, and verify logical chains. The capability leap is evident in the benchmarks. Gemini 3.1's Deep Think mode matches elite human programmers on the Codeforces platform, achieving an ELO of 3,455 through this recursive processing. These pricing models reflect the invisible cognitive labor the AI performs to reach a sound conclusion. This processing power is driven by a specific unit of cost, the reasoning token. To produce one concise sentence, a model might generate thousands of hidden tokens that are discarded as it refines its logic. The financial pressure comes from how these are billed. Providers charge for every one of these unseen reasoning tokens at their premium output rate. This creates a volatility tax that changes the unit economics of AI, turning complex queries into a significant and unpredictable cost of goods sold. To manage this volatility, enterprises are adopting a discipline called AI FinOps. The central strategy is inference arbitrage, the practice of moving workloads between different AI models based on the current price and the required logic depth. Organizations use an inference router as a compute trading desk. It assesses a prompt's complexity to identify the most cost-effective path. By routing simple tasks to cheaper models and reserving frontier ones for high-stakes reasoning, total inference costs drop by up to 85%. AI computation has become a dynamically traded commodity that requires real-time optimization. This drive for efficiency has split the AI market into two distinct tiers. In the premium tier, providers like OpenAI position models such as O1 Pro as expert services, with prices reaching $600 per million output tokens. Meanwhile, a commodity tier has emerged. Firms like DeepSeek offer reasoning models that provide similar logical capabilities at a 90% discount compared to their Western counterparts. These price differences are accelerating the push toward sovereign AI. This is seen in the Nemotron Coalition, a $26 billion consortium including NVIDIA and Mistral AI, aimed at developing open-weight alternatives to closed, expensive systems. The organizations that find success in this new economy will not be those that simply buy the most powerful model, but those that master the art of budgeting and allocating a single brilliant thought.